Hello. Today's video is specifically for someone that owns a Nikon Z6ii or a Nikon Z7ii. This video will show you how to turn on the copyright feature and add a name for the artist and add customized copyright information. We are only showing how to use the feature and are in no way giving or implying any legal advice regarding copyright details. Okay, great. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Setup menu and scroll down to see Copyright Information and select it. Using the right arrow on your selector wheel to turn on the attached copyright information. A check will show in the box. Scroll down to Artist and select to add the artist's name. You can use the selector wheel to move around on the keyboard, or you can use the touch screen to select the letters. After entering the name, select OK to save the information. Scroll down to Copyright and select. Once here, you can enter whatever you would like your copyright information to be. Do some research and determine what will work best for you. When you are done entering text, select OK to save. When you are back on the copyright information screen, remember to select OK to save your settings. When you're back on the Setup menu, you should see that copyright information is on. Here's a screenshot of the image's EXIF data, and the artist and copyright fields are populated with the information from the camera. This can be seen on most photo editing software that allows you to access EXIF data. Now here's a bonus tip. You can also add an image comment with your camera. I like to use this to identify a location or a job that I'm working on. It adds the comment to the EXIF data as well. To turn on image comment, go to the Setup menu and scroll down to find Image Comment and select it. Be sure to select Attach Comment so that the check mark appears in the box. Scroll down and select Input Comment. Add your comment using the selector wheel or the touch screen to select letter, number, symbols, etc. on the keyboard. After you complete your comment, use OK to save the input. You should see on the Setup menu that Image Comment is now on. I hope this video has helped you and that you may have learned something new. Please like and subscribe to keep videos like this showing up in your subscriptions and in your YouTube searches. Thank you and have a great day.